Do you want to see what keywords people are using to find your site? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you how to connect your Google Search Console account with Google Analytics using MonsterInsights. Welcome to MonsterInsights, a better way to see your Google Analytics data, allowing you to focus on creating content that will help you grow your website and build your business. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post the next video showing you how to use the #1 Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. If you're wondering why it's important to know the keywords your site is already ranking for, well, here's why. When you know what search terms are sending you the most organic traffic from search engines, you can compare the keywords that you've been targeting with the keywords that you're actually ranking for. Now, if your site's top keywords match those targeted keywords, then you're on track with your SEO strategy. But if they're not matching, then you need to make some necessary adjustments that will make your site more SEO friendly. By seeing the keywords that are actually sending you the most traffic, you can get fresh content ideas for your blog. By creating useful content around those keywords, you can boost your search engine rankings and your organic traffic as well. Google Search Console is the best platform for you to view those search terms and queries that people are using to find your site. Now, you might be wondering why you just can't use Google Analytics for your keyword search. Well, Google Analytics doesn't give you search terms data anymore. So if you do look up reports in Google Analytics, you're just going to get a keyword not provided error. That's why Google Search Console is the best option. Google Search Console is an online marketing tool that's offered by Google that allows you to monitor and view your site's performance in Google search results. And in addition, it also helps you to fix crawl issues. You can view your website keywords using Google Search Console in 3 ways. In your WordPress dashboard with MonsterInsights, in your Search Console account, or you can use a paid third-party application like SEMRush. We'll talk more about that later. The first method is using MonsterInsights Google Analytics plugin. Now, this plugin helps you to track your website's traffic, user interactions on your site, and it shows you an easy-to-understand Google Analytics keyword report. To get Search Console reports in your WordPress dashboard, you'll need to install the MonsterInsights plugin on your site and connect it to your Google Analytics account. Now, just make sure that you purchase at least a Plus license because the Search Console report is not available in the Lite plugin that you can download from the WordPress repository. Now, if you don't already have a license, just head over to monsterinsights.com/YTVIP, where we've created a special deal for our YouTube viewers. Then, once you've made your purchase, you can download and install the plugin on your site and connect it to your Google Analytics account. Now, if you need a step-by-step guide on setting everything up correctly, just see the link in the description below that'll allow you to view both our video and our written guide on how to add Google Analytics to WordPress using MonsterInsights. Once you've installed the plugin and connected it to your Google Analytics account, Google will begin gathering information about your site's visitors. Keep in mind that Google may take a few hours to gather your site's information and data. Now, once that happens, you'll begin seeing the number of visitors on your WordPress site. Once you've added your site to the Search Console, you can view your site's top 50 search terms in your MonsterInsights report. Now, to view the Search Console report, you'll need to log into your WordPress website, and on the left-hand side of your screen, on the admin panel, hover your mouse over Insights and then click Reports. Now you'll see your site's Analytic Overview report. Go to the Search Console tab at the top of the page, and from there you'll see the top 50 search terms for your site. Now you'll see the number of clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and the average position for each of your keywords. Now at the bottom of the report, if you click on View Full Queries Report, it'll take you to your Google Analytics account, and it will open the Search Console queries. All right, now let's see how you can view search engine keywords in Google Search Console. First, you'll need to log into your Search Console account and then click on Performance from the menu on the left. Here, you'll see a graphical representation of your total clicks, impressions, and your average click-through rate and position. Now just scroll down and you'll see the Queries tab. It shows you the top keywords that people are using to find your site. You can use Google Search Console's other tabs in Performance to see how your site performs on search engines. Now, while Google Search Console is a free service for your search analytics, you can also use a paid SEO tool like SEMRush to find keywords for your website. Using this tool, you can perform organic research, paid advertising research, keyword research, and in-depth competition analysis for improving your site's SEO. Now, to get started, just simply go to the SEMRush website, enter your website's URL, and then click Start Now. SEMRush will show you an overview report of your site, including organic search, paid search, backlinks, and other information. Now you just need to go to the Organic Research menu. Now once you're there, you'll see your organic keywords along with your search position on Google. We'll place a link in the description to SEMRush so you can check it out for yourself. Now that's how you can see your site's Google search keywords. The 3 methods, Monster Insights is the winner when it comes to convenience, as it shows you the data directly inside your WordPress dashboard. Plus, the format of the responses is also more comprehensive and is more user-friendly. And that's it. We hope that this video has helped you to learn how to see the keywords people are using to find your site. Now check out the special offer for our YouTube viewers and join over 2 million professionals using Monster Insights to grow their business with confidence. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post the next video. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter for more free tips, tricks, and tutorials for using Monster Insights in WordPress.